Hi guys, welcome back to the Pocket Yogi. In today's episode of the Pocket Fundamentals, we'll be covering something you would have encountered in every yoga or even HIIT class, the plank pose. This pose strengthens and lengthens your arms, your shoulders, your abdominal muscles, and in turn your lower back muscles as well. So get onto your mat, let's get planking. Alright, everybody, let's begin with a tabletop position on your trusty mat. Wrists right under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Fingers spread out wide. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Keep your gaze soft. Make sure you're not sinking into your chest here, like this. What I mean by that is that we're actively pushing through our palms. Just to ensure we're not cheating here, breathe in. As you breathe out, press into your palms. Use that strength to lift your knees off the mat just a little bit. Notice how your core seems to have tightened a bit just to support you with this move. Your arms are actively engaged in pushing your body away from the ground. This is the engagement we're looking to achieve during the plank. Your neck remains neutral, gaze down. With an exhalation, knees down. Did you feel a little bit of heat using your body weight for strength? If yes, take a moment to notice how it felt in your arms, your shoulders, and your core muscles. Next up, breathe in, and as you breathe out, press through your palms and extend your right leg out back. Notice how your body adjusts ever so slightly to redistribute the amount of weight you put on your arms and the extended leg. Keep your neck neutral. Your neck is an extension of your body, not hanging down, not arching up. It remains straight with your gaze down. Now, continue pushing through your palms, tighten up that core, and step your left leg back to meet your right. Few alignment cues before the body starts trembling here. Tighten your thighs. This in turn helps in activating and tightening your abdominal muscles, like you're sending your navel towards your spine. Tuck your tailbone in so your entire body from your head to toe is in a straight line. And if you're tired, feel free to keep one or both your knees on the mat anytime and build your strength from there. I know. Jutting your hips out upwards like this really makes it easier to hold, but nothing good in life comes easy, you know. So if your knees are off the mat, lower down your hips slightly, making sure your body is in a straight line. Make a conscious effort to create space between your shoulder blades. Breathe out. Knees on the mat and relax back in child's pose. Easy, long breaths. There are a bunch of variations you can try if you think a full plank is not your jam right now. So first, I've already explained one or both your knees on the mat. You can also raise your feet up like this. Just make sure you're pushing your chest forward, maintaining that straight line we talked about, and not collapsing on your shoulders. Push through your arms. Second, if you happen to have any wrist issues or carpal tunnel syndrome, you can use your forearms as a base instead of your palms, making this a forearm plank. Third, sometimes I just don't want to extend my wrists out. So in this case, my planks go with the fingers in a fist and knuckles supporting at the base. This is also when I haven't done a proper wrist warm up yet and ensures I don't end up hurting my wrists without a decent warm up. Resting back into the child's pose. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if there's anything you'd want me to cover, please feel free to drop in your comments in the comments section below. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time,